Xavier, what's going on, buddy?
Dude, we're out here skydiving at Lake Elsinore today.
Heck yeah. Why would you want to go skydiving?
Why wouldn't you want to go skydiving?
That was the correct answer. You passed.
Sweet.
Is there a special occasion today or just for fun?
Well, I mean, it was me and my buddy's birthday the other day.
Nice.
A month past, and
nice.
So we're out here having some
fun. A little
fun.
bit of a late celebration?
Yeah.
All right, man. Is there anything you want to say to your friends and family before you get on this plane?
That this isn't going to be the first time we're going to be coming back here.
That's what I want to hear, man. All right. Have fun.
Yeah. Thank you.
Woo!
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, sky, baby.
What's up, Xavier?
Oh my God, we're alive!
How you doing, man?
We made it! Yes!
Pretty sweet, huh?
Yes, dude, that was incredible. Thank you so much. That was such a great jump.
What was your favorite part?
Probably the dive out. That was the most incredible part. And then like getting stable and actually seeing yourself falling through the air like that.
So we'll see you back here at Skydive Elsinore again, right?
Exactly.
Right on, man.
All
Thanks
right.
for jumping with us. Woo!
Big shout out to Drop Zone. Thanks for sharing.